Welcome to DataText. Here is a quick description on how to use our search statistics. Statistics take whatever your search criteria is and performs a set of statistical calculations based on that criteria. Start off by filling in your search criteria. Once that has been completed, click on the button on the top left-hand side of the screen. This will take you to the Recording Statistics page. By clicking on Show Selected Criteria at the top of your page, you'll be able to see exactly where your statistics have been generated from. For each search criteria, you will be able to see the statistics for each of the categories below. In each category, you can find the sum of all the recordings information according to the specific criteria. The information is also split between incoming and outgoing recordings. In this instance, each category shows the following information. The total number of recordings is 16, of which 6 are incoming recordings and 10 are outgoing recordings. The total duration of the recordings is 25 minutes and 16 seconds, of which the total incoming recordings is 11 minutes and 33 seconds, and the outgoing recordings is 13 minutes and 43 seconds. The total disk space used is 2 megabytes, of which the incoming recordings is 1 megabyte and the outgoing recordings is also 1 megabyte. The average duration for all recordings is 1 minute and 34 seconds. The average duration for all the incoming recordings is 1 minute and 55 seconds. The average duration for all the outgoing recordings is 1 minute and 22 seconds. The maximum duration of all the recordings is 8 minutes and 42 seconds. The maximum duration of all the incoming recordings is 8 minutes and 42 seconds, and the maximum duration of outgoing recordings was 3 minutes and 11 seconds. The total recordings marked for agent quality management out of all the recordings is 3, of which 0 are incoming recordings and 3 are outgoing recordings. The total agent quality management reviews that have been done are 0 on all recordings. The total amount of users that there are recordings for are 3. There are 2 under incoming recordings and 3 under outgoing recordings. The total number of extensions that were used were 3, of which only 2 of them were used in incoming recordings, but all 3 were used in outgoing recordings. The number of tagged recordings is 0. You will also find a visual representation of a few statistics with regards to your set search criteria. This includes the amount of incoming and outgoing recordings, the amount of AQM recordings, and the amount of recordings that have been tagged. If you click on Show User Detail, you can see a breakdown of each user's statistics according to the specified search criteria. For each user, you can see their amount of recordings, their total duration of their recordings, their average duration for those recordings, as well as the maximum duration of a recording. For each user, these various statistics are shown for all recordings as well as split between both incoming and outgoing calls. If you click on Show Extension Detail, you will find all the same type of information. However, in this case, it is linked to an extension. This is used when multiple users may be linked to the same extension number. There may be more than one line for the same user, but it all corresponds with the same extension. On the Recording Statistics page, wherever you see a red name or red number, you can click on it and it will show you the recordings that fall under that specific criteria. This will also narrow down your search even further. If I were to now click on the Statistics button, it will only show the statistics of the new specified criteria. We hope that this video has assisted you in understanding how our Recording Statistics page works.